In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Sony Dream Machine when the snooze button isn't working properly with the alarm. First, check if the alarm is set correctly and that the snooze feature is enabled. Sometimes the alarm settings can get changed accidentally. Make sure the volume is turned up enough to hear the alarm and that the device isn't muted. Test the alarm sound to confirm it's working. If the snooze button doesn't respond, check if the button is physically stuck or dirty. Clean around the button gently with a soft cloth to remove dust or debris. Try unplugging the Dream Machine for about 1 minute, then plug it back in. This resets the device and can clear minor glitches causing button issues. If your model supports a factory reset, use it as a last resort. Press and hold the reset button or use the menu option to reset the device. Keep in mind this will erase any saved alarms or settings. Make sure your Dream Machine is on a flat surface to avoid accidental button presses or interference. If the snooze button still doesn't work, the internal button mechanism might be faulty and may need professional repair or replacement. Following these steps should help you get the snooze function working properly again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.